Yajurveda Sanhita, unveiling ritualistic wisdom and spiritual insight. Abstract. The Yajurveda Sanhita, a compilation of sacred verses and rituals, serves as a treasure trove of ritualistic wisdom and spiritual contemplation. This article delves into the distinct characteristics, themes, structure, and significance of the Yajurveda Sanhita. By exploring these verses, we uncover the profound interplay between external rituals and the deeper quest for spiritual understanding within the Vedic tradition. Introduction. The Yajurveda Sanhita stands as a cornerstone of the Vedic heritage, encapsulating the ritualistic practices and spiritual insights of ancient India. Composed as verses meant to be recited during rituals, this collection bridges the gap between external observances and inner contemplation, reflecting the dynamic nature of Vedic wisdom. Distinct characteristics. The Yajurveda Sanhita is distinct for its verses that are chanted during rituals, many of which include instructions for offerings and ceremonial actions. It is categorized into two main branches, the Shukla Yajurveda and the Krishna Yajurveda. The former contains mostly prose passages, while the latter combines prose with rhythmic verses. Themes and structure. The central theme of the Yajurveda Sanhita is the performance of rituals and ceremonies. These verses guide practitioners in the precise execution of offerings to the deities, fire, and other cosmic forces. The structure is marked by the arrangement of verses in a sequential order that mirrors the progression of rituals. Ritual as a path to the divine. The Yajurveda Sanhita emphasizes the significance of rituals as a means to establish a connection with the divine realm. The recitation of verses, accompanied by precise actions, is believed to harness the cosmic energies and invoke blessings from higher realms. These rituals serve as a bridge between the material and spiritual dimensions. Inner contemplation and spiritual significance. Beyond the external actions, the Yajurveda Sanhita offers glimpses of deeper spiritual insights. The verses often contain symbolic meanings and allegorical interpretations, inviting practitioners to reflect on the profound truths they convey. The rituals are not ends in themselves but pathways to spiritual realization. Legacy and influence. The Yajurveda Sanhita's legacy extends to the preservation of ritualistic practices and their spiritual implications. It has influenced the development of rituals in Hinduism and provided a framework for understanding the symbiotic relationship between ritual performance and spiritual awareness. Relevance today. In a world seeking a balance between tradition and modernity, the Yajurveda Sanhita retains relevance. Its emphasis on the interplay between rituals and spiritual insight offers insights that resonate with individuals seeking to connect with ancient wisdom while navigating contemporary challenges. Conclusion. The Yajurveda Sanhita stands as a testament to the intricate interplay between ritualistic practices and spiritual understanding within the Vedic tradition. Through its exploration of verses, ceremonies, and symbolic meanings, it unveils the profound wisdom that underlies the external actions. It reminds us that the ancient rituals of the Yajurveda are not mere performances but gateways to spiritual growth, fostering a harmonious alignment between the individual, the cosmos, and the divine.